Okay, on this video I'm going to show you how to add products to a WooCommerce store. This is the new store theme by not Forest. I can't remember which one. Anyway, yeah, these are the elements right here. These are the products as they show up, and the most important thing to building out this store is adding the products. Now, it comes preloaded with a number of products just to show you where they are in place. And you can also customize which of these elements you want to show up here. Like I'm going to show you real fast. If you want to eliminate, say, this feature right here, all you do is these are the various different elements throughout here. Okay. Let's say you want to get rid of this particular scrolling line here. All you would have to do is come up here to the let's see, it's this one here, I believe. Right here, and you can toggle what products you want to show. If you want all products, featured products, on sale products, okay, or if you want to completely remove it, just click remove, and this element will be gone. Okay. If you want to get rid of it for right now, but you don't have any on sale, I think actually we do have some on sale products. There's our on sale products right now. So I put this in here a little while ago. So for right now, we'll leave it as is. Okay? We're not going to make any changes. We'll just go back. But that's just kind of how you would toggle that. If you wanted to get rid of it, you could get rid of it. And then you could turn around and add it back by clicking Add a Widget. Okay? You notice it's called TF. I'll show you this real quick. Add a widget. And your TF widget is right here, a list of your store's products. Okay. So if you want to remove it right now, you could come back later and add it. You can add it anywhere you want using this. Okay. For now, we're just going to exit out of here. Not going to make any changes. I'm going to go in and I'm going to teach you how to add products. There are two ways to add products into your store. Here you're on your dashboard. This is where you'll show up when you first log on to the website. And your products are going to show up on this side right here. Pop-out gives you all products, add new, categories, tags, and attributes. Attributes are like small, medium, large, colors, whatever. Tags are anything that describe it that are going to be used by people to search for it, like pink is a tag, lace-up is a tag, flip-flops be a tag. Pink lace-up, kind of weird, but anyway. Categories are any categories that you're going to place the item in. Like you may have a category of your boutique, and then break down from that. You may have holiday items, and then another category below that would be Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving, Halloween, whatever. Okay. Your products. Let's go to all products, because you'll notice now right here it just pops out. When we click all products, this is going to change, and now we can see we have add new here. We also have add new up here. In addition, we can import or export. Now I'll tell you a little bit more about those features in a moment. For right now, we're going to just discuss the products menu. These are all the products that are in here. Now I've already loaded this up in here a moment ago. I'm going to delete them out. Okay? Because I'm going to show you how to load those in a moment. That's just some extra stuff. These are some items that I went ahead and created by hand earlier. And this on down are all the things that are preloaded in here. Now at some point you're probably going to want to get rid of something, especially these preloaded items. You can either click trash and send them to the trash. You'll notice right up here you've got 4 items in the trash. Or you can do it in groups, click bulk actions, move to trash, apply. Then these items will go into the trash, and now we have 7 items in the trash. If you have items in the trash, you want to get them out, you don't want them in there, all you have to do is click on this, and then either click restore here, or come back and click, 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 bulk items, restore, apply. Now those items are restored. Okay. These items here, let's say you got something you want, it's in the trash, you want to just get rid of it entirely. Either click delete permanently or select bulk items, delete permanently, apply. And those items are gone for good. Okay? Back to all. Now, here's a little something as well. These are all your products. These include your published products and your items that are in here by draft. These two items are in here as a draft. I did not publish them. They were just there to test out the system and check a few things out. I know probably this one you're not going to be selling, although this one you may want to stock. It's pretty cool. I saw it. You may want to stock that and actually sell it on your site. In any case, they're separated here up here. You notice the trash bin is gone. That's because nothing is in the trash now. Okay. Let's go ahead and trash this one. So I'm going to show you how that comes out. Okay, so skeleton handbag in here, wish banner. All right, so that's if you want to add a product, you either click Add New here or click Add New there. And all you're going to do is you're going to come down here and you're going to create a product. Now, what product are we going to use? There's a couple of places where you can add product images. Here and here and here, and you want to add as many products by image as you can. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say, let's pick this one. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. All right, so T-shirt. Okay. Now I can add additional images if I want. If that, obviously the more images you have, if I have multiple colors, that's ideal. Where is Hocus Pocus T-shirt? Here we go. I can insert that here. Here I'm going to add, this is a product description. This is to be a long description of the item shown. Make it as detailed as you can using many like size, color, and whatever else that you can add to, and whatever else you think applies. Okay. Now down here, I'm going to also add another image. I'm going to add another image here. Okay. This is where a short description of the product will be added. Be clear and concise. Okay. So that product's added. Now let's say I want to have a price of $19.99. Oops, that's not a price, is it? $99. $19.99 on this shirt, but it's gonna be on sale for $15.99, right? Is it taxable? Shipping only? None. If it's taxable, it's fine. I've already preloaded your taxes. I believe you guys are what, 9.2%? Anyway, we can talk about that later. Tax class, standard, reduced rate, zero rate. Obviously, if it's a school or something, you can make it zero rate, which you would have to manually go in and change before they place their order. But most of your orders are going to be standard rate, and you know how to handle all that. Inventory, if you're going to keep it in inventory, what's the SKU number and the stock status of it? Are you going to enable stock management at a product level? If so, you're going to put your stock quantity in here, and you can do back orders if you're going to allow back orders, but notify customer, whatever, so that if it's out of stock, will it go ahead and allow the system to place the order. Right now it says do not allow, so I'm going to say allow. We're just going to allow, because if it's out of stock, boom, now it will still sell. Low stock threshold 2. So basically, since you're going to be doing a lot of customizations, if you're doing customizations, obviously you're going to have a low stock level there, and you're still going to allow the order to go through, even though you show 0 in stock. You might want to show 1 in stock. That way people will place the order. Boom, you create it. It's customized, but you're still good to go. And let's make this a 1 as well. Shipping right here, if you want to include the shipping weight, so that it will automatically calculate the shipping based on your area. This is still got to be set up, and we'll be talking about that on Monday. If you have similar products that you would sell along with this, you can put the links in here so that it will then show similar related products below. The attributes, once again, your sizes, you would add them here. And you would choose the values. All I'm doing is clicking on that right there, visible on the product page. If you want to add extra small, kids, whatever, you just click add new. Well, I'll let you play with that. But you just name it, move on. Okay, we'll save those. Your advanced, this is any kind of notes that you want to add in here. Your menu order, if you slip on here, it's custom ordering position, so that if you've got the pro version of this particular theme, it can automatically place new orders for you as your stock runs low. This is for if you're stocking stuff, so it's probably not something you necessarily need. Enable reviews, a good idea to leave that on so that people can leave reviews for you. And then more options. These are some things that you can purchase through the builder, the builder of this theme. Okay, that's all you got. Product tags. We can put T-shirt, T-shirt, and we need a comma between them. Between tags, put a comma. Put a few comment tags in there, whatever you think is something to describe it. Now, this is a boutique item, right? So we can click here, or we can add that, or we can add a new category, which is T-shirts. I don't know if you want to put a hyphen in there. You'll come here and click boutique. Now you've got a new category. So you've got this item in both boutique and in T-shirts. All right. You might also put it in clothing. I don't know if you want to keep these. These are the preset categories that were already in here. So you may want to keep some. You may not. It's hard. It's up to you. They can be deleted out, and I can show you how to do that a little bit later. All right. So this is pretty good. It's got a little bit of information here. Let's see how this comes out on the page. Okay. We're going to go ahead and publish it. Now, we don't have to publish it. We could save it as a draft and just preview it. That way it's not actually published. We can just look at it. I'll show you about that in a moment. Let's view this product. So here's how it just came out on the page. Now you can see why you want two different pictures. This is the featured image. This is the image where the short description was located. So you may or may not want an image. You may want a small image. It's entirely up to you what you want to do there. And this is the image where we put in the long description of the item. Okay, so this is where you'll really extend it out. When I do a load up, you'll see. And then here's some related products that it chose based on, we clicked on the tag for clothing. So it automatically put in some related products here. So as you build up your products, it's going to automatically design this. Now, over here on this side is what's called a widget area. In another video, I'll explain how to either get rid of that. You can either eliminate this widget area, move it over here on the left, or leave it on the right. It comes standard on the right. It's a very good way to promote additional products. But some people don't want it; they want their products on a single page. Okay, and of course you notice it. You hover over and you got that. All right, well, let's go back to the dashboard now, and let's go ahead and go back to products. This time we're going to add products by importing. Now the export feature, I'll do that real fast. The export allows you to export either all products, all columns, or according to name or however they are, whatever you want to export, how you want to export the information, okay, by categories or whatever. And then you can export even the custom metadata, which is really just the descriptions and things like that go into helping search engines find what's there. Then you just click Generate CSV File. What this is going to do, it's going to create a file that will show up down here. It'll download to your computer, and now you've got a complete CSV file of all the products you're carrying in your store, which you can open. Take a moment for it to open, but you can see it right here. That's the file. While it's opening, I'm going to go back here, and we're going to go back to all products again. Now, if you've created your own CSV file that contains all the items, or maybe you've downloaded one from a third-party source, like I've got one. I'm working with a lady right now. She let's see, it's in downloads, and it's copy. She's building out a store where she's going to be handling pet store items, and this is a CSV file, and she has downloaded she has created what she wants through a third party, and they've created that for you. So you upload the CSV file here. Now the next part, you're going to be what's called custom mapping. The SEO title, we're going to create that as the short description, because it's a short description. The SEO description is going to be the long description. Okay. We can add to this on the page, but that's how we're going to do it right now. The item is going to be the name, in this case. The image, I already know that these images are too small to show up in this theme. I'll go ahead and bring the images in anyway to show you what it does. But if you had your images in your CSV file and they were the right size, they would import over very easily. The company is Paul Beauty. I happen to know they don't really have one in there, but that's okay because we've got Paul Beauty, which is the brand, right here in the short description. The SKU is the SKU. Product ID, we're going to go ahead and give that an ID because we'll stick with that product ID number. Either that, or we could use the model number for the ID and do not import this. Okay. Source link, we're not going to import that. In fact, that's yeah, that's fine. We'll do it like that. Click that, run the importer, and now it's going to import all these products straight into your product catalog, which there are only 4 items in the item. So this right here, donut, cuddler, pet beds. Let's do let's view it real fast. As mentioned, the photos didn't come out very well. They're terrible photos, so she's got to get better photos. But this is where the short description comes in, the long description, and then these are related items because we didn't add anything. Nothing was categorized yet, right? So we can edit this product. All we'd have to do is come down here. Now we can add an image if we want. I'm going to pick an image out of your catalog here, just to kind of, there we go. We know that's not a doggy bed, but that's fine. Just to show where that'll come out. Now this is, we'll just say $20, no sale price. taxable. We do all the standard things over here that we would do. Add product tags, dog, bed, you know. Come up here, add it to a category. We'll leave it as uncategorized since it doesn't really belong here anyway. And then everything else pretty much the same way. Here in your editing screen, you can add it in any way you want. If you're used to using Microsoft Word, this is all very similar. All these things are pretty much the same way. If you want to create a link to something, you just highlight, click on link, and you add the link right there. And then you click on that, and you'll have a link there. That's all there is to it. And you'll go down and do this for all of the things that are in there, and then just simply do an update. Now, by adding that image, you'll see here in a moment. So the image shows up right here. Got a little bit of a description, and so forth. Okay, that's all there is to adding products to your website, to your WooCommerce site. Just remember that's all you got to do. It's really very simple. In future videos and other discussions, we'll go through and deal with some of the finer points of working with this. For instance, your WooCommerce dashboard, your settings are where you're going to be setting up all of your products, your tax, your shipping. Remember I mentioned that your tax was already set. I went ahead and came in here and, well, I thought I did. No, maybe I did not. Got your address in here. So we'll go over all this stuff later on. But that's how you do your products. And have a nice day.